customers are blown away.
We walked up to the place and said, wow.
It's quite impressive.
They're blown away by the VLMs in the parts warehouse. I think the size of the shop. If you walk through the site tech area, that is loaded with technology. Almost every aspect of the facility, I think, is obviously a big change from where we were on Ainsley Drive. So I heard nothing but rave reviews.
Oh my God, I would have rather come here than Disneyland.
You walk right in, look around at some clothes while you're waiting or something. It's perfect setup.
I've never seen bays as big as this, and the equipment that's in here is unbelievable.
I'd feel comfortable bringing my equipment here and having it worked on, that's for sure.
We could hop into the machines and run the dozer, run the excavator.
I got to run the new D3 bulldozer with the auto steer, and I got to try out the new excavator with the autos on it as well, and the tilt bucket.
There's definitely no shortage of technology here.
It was pretty impressive to hear they could get the grades within a half of a thickness of a penny.
The response has been tremendous. We had a conversation yesterday with a customer after a tour, and his remarks to us were, I don't see how I could shop anywhere else for my equipment needs.
I'm glad I showed up. They put on an amazing event, and it's nice to see the investment that they're doing in the construction industry right now. I mean, it's amazing.
This facility is a statement to our customers of Central New York that we're here. We're investing heavily to support them in their business, and I certainly believe we're going to see a lot more customers walking through the shops than we ever did on Ainsley Drive.